Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best BVIFSC regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission, or BVIFSC, falls in high regard of the Forex trading community as a whole due to the great benefits offered by the country. Forex brokers in the British Virgin Islands will receive multiple tax breaks, which virtually guarantee a zero tax structure on all corporate as well as personal income. Traders who are searching for some of the best BVIFSC regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best BVIFSC regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best BVIFSC regulated Forex brokers, we have GKFX. GKFX Prime is a popular beginner-friendly social trading broker that was founded in 2012. This broker offers trading services in more than 20 countries worldwide and provides customer support in 12 international languages. GKFX Prime is regulated and inspected by the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission and is the registered trademark of International Finance House Limited. This broker also has a branch in Cambodia, which is authorized and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Cambodia, and both entities are part of the Global Capital Group. GKFX Prime has received many awards over the years and was recently awarded for offering reliable customer support and for being one of the best brokers for trading CFDs. GKFX Prime offers a wide range of commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Forex pairs. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, and the spreads on currency pairs typically start from as low as 0 pips. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 400 on all accounts when trading with GKFX Prime. As a GKFX Prime client, you can trade using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was launched 5 years later. And many new features were introduced, including advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. GKFX Prime offers 4 types of accounts, which include the standard fixed account, the standard variable account, the VIP variable account, and the ECN 0 account. The ECN 0 and VIP variable accounts have the lowest spreads. However, a minimum deposit of at least $5,000 is required. All accounts except for the ECN 0 account are commission-free, and the standard variable and VIP variable accounts offer the most Forex pairs. No minimum deposit is required when opening any of the other accounts. However, the VIP account gives you exclusive access to professional trading tools and requires a higher minimum deposit. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. As a client, you will get access to a variety of educational resources: Auto Chartist, Trading Central, analysis and research material, virtual private service, and much more. GKFX Prime is an excellent choice for beginners, and we recommend visiting the educational section before you open a live trading account. We also recommend downloading all the free ebooks provided to make sure you have a solid understanding of how to trade, read charts, and build strategies. You can also use their economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into the markets. One of the perks of trading with this broker is having access to Chartist, which is a powerful market analysis tool and MetaTrader plugin. This tool provides chart patterns, 6 different Fibonacci patterns, global market analysis, and in-depth volatility analysis. You can also use Chartist to monitor your performance, and this is one of the best tools for identifying opportunities and managing risks. In addition to the resources provided, you will also have access to a margin calculator, a profit calculator, and a currency converter. These tools will help you refine your trading strategies by making it easier to make more accurate trading decisions. We also recommend bookmarking the trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. Overall, GKFX Prime is an award-winning broker that has been around for many years, and this broker is trusted by thousands of traders worldwide. GKFX Prime's retail clients are insured up to $3.5 million, and their funds are securely held in segregated accounts with Tier 1 banks. By joining this broker, you will get access to powerful trading platforms and tools, high-quality research material, beginner-friendly ebooks, and there are 4 types of accounts to choose from. And those are some of the top 5 best BVIFSC regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.